Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the US energy.gov data scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Appify or in the link down in the description. It automatically collects articles, press releases, documents, and official publications directly from the US Department of Energy website. You get structured data like titles, publication dates, article types, and DOE office affiliations. No copying, no searching, no missed updates. This is perfect for energy researchers, journalists, policy analysts, government contractors, and market researchers who need reliable, up-to-date info from the Department of Energy. So, how does it work? The input is quite simple. You just have to enter a keyword, for example, nuclear. You select the article type you want, or you leave it blank to gather all of them. You select which language, which office, and how you want them sorted. We'll choose relevance. Now you choose the maximum number of items, and then you can run the actor once or schedule it according to your needs. We'll run it once for this demo. Now we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab, and you'll get each article's title, URL, publication date, content type, and office affiliation. You can download everything as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. It's ready for analysis, reporting, or monitoring workflows. This actor saves hours of manual research, ensures you never miss policy updates, and gives you structured data you can actually work with. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.